Been together now, been together for a year. I spend more time with you than my peers. When you left me, I was in tears. When we got back together, my heart soon repaired. It all started when I met you through a friend. You used to be shy and you used to pretend that you didn't like me. It was a little time before she slept with me.
We're gonna have happy times together. We got a love that will last forever. We're gonna make it to the very end, because you're my lover and my best friend.
I recall the early days of our relationship. You was so pretty that you had me whipped. We used to sit and talk the whole day away. I remember before when you used to say, if you want to get with me, you have to respect my ways. She had a strong point of view about the things we could and couldn't do. She said, firstly, you need to know I need a man. It takes some time before I sleep with a man. She used to say she's brought up by a strict mum and dad that would throw her out of the house if she did bad. She said to make her happy, never make her sad.
We're gonna have happy times together. We got a love that will last forever. We're gonna make it to the very end, because you're my lover and my best friend.
I remember in winter 2005, we used to act like kids and have snow fights. I remember our first date, I dropped you home early cause you couldn't stay out late. Went for a drink by the riverside in Richmond. I remember you saying I was a true gentleman. I held the door open as we went in the wine bar. My diamonds were shining like I was a star. And you looked far from cheap. You looked real sweet like something to eat. As we talked over a drink, she didn't say much. I felt kind of extinct.
We're gonna have happy times together. We got a love that will last forever. We're gonna make it to the very end, because you're my lover and my best friend.
But enough of the past, things are still going well. You'll always be my one and only number one girl. Now we live together, we got something special that will last forever. I'll be your shelter in the rainy weather. I'll take away your pain. Whenever you're in trouble, just call my name.
We're gonna